Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing the final battle of the series, and this is going to be Chozy Achilles. Chozy Achilles versus Air Knight. This is Kite's final battle he did in the series. This is episode 46, and he loses 1-2. But it's going to be best of 3 versus 2. Let's get it, shall we? Off to a good start, yay. Ooh. Okay. Why did... Oh, God. Grabbed the wrong one. I definitely grabbed the wrong one. Big time. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, yeah. Okay. 1-0. 1-0. Oh, geez, this is insane. One.
Put this in your mouth so you can.
2-1. 2-1. Here's your winner. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.